Here we have the modified Mark V pop bottle bird scarer. So instead of making a knuckle like I did with this one, or a node, which had 4 blades on, what I've gone for is the top of a pop bottle, and I've cut holes in slightly smaller than the necks of the bottle, pushed them in and screwed them up, cut the blades, and I've taken a bottom and pushed it inside and put a hole in. What I will do is I'll make a better pivot for it, and I may actually put a small hole in the lid to keep it level so that it can spin better. And actually I can unscrew the cap and put some plastic beads inside so that as it spins it rattles, it makes a noise. So that is my modified Mark V bird scarer.